I remember meeting him first time when through his father.
He always gives credit to his wife. Without her support, he's saying he would definitely not made it.
The values that Captain Gurpreet Singh Hota carries, devotion and dedication, has come from his father. The family members call him Kiddy.
He was very strict. He expected all the good values, wanted people to be disciplined.
You have done us proud. Maybe it will set example for the youngsters to go out to see even more. He likes to spend his time playing golf. Whenever he comes on leave, makes a point of getting together with his old friends and colleagues, including seafarers. This is only first of the many awards to come to.
We all from Chandigarh and as juniors from PS to Rao Duffin, we are quite happy that he has shown us the way which any professional seafarer can hope to get.
Dad, huge congratulations. You have worked really hard and do deserve this. I'm really sorry we can't be there with you. Hope you have a great time in India.
On behalf of Training Ship Dufferin Batch of 1968-70, we recognize and felicitate our very own Captain Gurpreet Singh Hota for his outstanding achievements in the field of international maritime safety.
It is now the North, which is no sea, and we have a Lifetime Achievement Award winner from that region.